Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, something scary has happened. This is the strongest pullback that we have experienced in the last 4 months in the entire crypto market. Bitcoin has just come to 93,000, which it has done before. But if you talk about majority of the altcoins, they have broken a really strong barrier, or you can say broken a really strong support, and now are floating in the middle. There is a little bit more downside left before the market is going to show another reversal, but right now this is going to be presenting a lot of buying opportunity. Keep in mind, Trump still has more ideas on what more tariffs he wants to put on different countries such as Mexico, Canada, and China have already experienced it, but there is another country that's going to be experiencing it, and when that happens, obviously the pullback will get stronger. So one thing that you need to pay attention to is how are you going to be making profit from this? Well, there's one token that I have been talking about, and I want to show you guys, SKYCLOUDS. Now, if you pay attention to how well Solana actually held on to its price, it's still holding close to 200. But if you have invested in SKYCLOUDS, what would have happened? Well, let me tell you one thing, you're not going to be losing out on any money. The reason for this is because this token is in a pre-sale stage. The initial time, or the first time I talked about this token, they had raised about $3 million, and right now you can see that they have raised just under $18 million. So that's close to a success just from when I talked about it initially. Now, at the end of the day, always do your own research. Nothing here is financial advice. This is a meme coin, so you guys need to make your own decision as it is your own money. But make sure this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you my opinion. What is SolAxi? SolAxi is pretty much the first layer 2 chain, infinite scale, best meme coin, and multi-chain compatibility. So the utility is simple. They just want to make another chain which is going to be a better version of what Solana did. So pretty much from Ethereum, we went to Solana, and they want to have Solana X2. Or this is going to be the way to speed up everything. And you guys can see, enhance the seamless performance with our Solana layer 2 optimized for speed and scalability. Meme coins are driving the Solana, and some would say the entire blockchain industry forward. So now they need to make sure that the transactions are able to be smooth and make even more profit. Talking about their overall roadmap on what they want to do. So the pre-sale progress, which is happening right now and will be coming to an end very soon. They've already raised about $18 million. Then they want to get their listing done and then get the SolAxi development in the way. On the other end, this is the tokenomics. So 20% is to the treasury, 15% to marketing, 25% to rewards, 10% to listing, and 30% to development. The total supply is close to 138 billion. And if you do decide to purchase it right now, you guys can go ahead and stake it away for 230%. Obviously, as more people are going to be buying into it, this return will be going down. Right now, it's still quite high. So personally, if you ask me, it would be a very good opportunity for you to buy into a token you like and then go ahead and stake it away. The reason I feel like SolAxi at the moment is a risk-free investment is due to the fact that even though the market is so volatile, due to the fact that SolAxi is still in a pre-sale stage, it's definitely not going to be missing out. What I mean by that is no one's able to take their money out, so the price is not going to be having any sort of movement, and most likely the team has so much experience, so they're going to be waiting for the perfect time to launch the coin. So obviously over time the token is still going to go up in price. Their coin audit has been done, and you guys can see there's no problems at all. Perfectly fine. Their address is perfectly okay. They have about 65,000 followers on Twitter, and they have pretty good reach because the initial post on this token has over 500,000 views on Twitter. So there is a lot of engagement that's been hit, and the Telegram has about 5,000 subscribers. Now, if you guys do want to purchase this token, it's actually very simple. You just need to go to the link in the description. It will bring you to this website. Now you guys can just select buy with card or buy with crypto. Let's say you select crypto, you just need to connect your wallet and then decide how much Ethereum or USDT you would like to convert into SolAxi, and from there you guys will be able to go ahead and buy it. Don't forget to stake it away because you obviously want to get returns while you're still waiting for the pre-sale to come to an end, and obviously that would be your best option. But again, do your own research. This is not financial advice, as you know, I don't want you guys to end up crying, as if you miss out, it's gonna be pretty big. Now, other than that, thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all very soon. Be very cautious if you're a day trader, because we are in a very scary times. I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.